What's Y1, Y2? Currency conversion setting. Currency conversion. Currency types. Okay, we have Y1. Okay, Y1 reporting currency, legal valuation, Y2 reporting currency, GBP, legal valuation. Okay, now for company codes, let's find out what we have actually added as an extra currency. Tab 2, tab 2 is Y1, Y2. Okay, it's already added over here. Currency types are given here, and currency conversion is given here for the company code, Euro and GBP. Okay, and company code setting is double click. Okay, that is dirham. So we have Euro and GBP as well. Okay, now we want to add global currency, which will be 30. For that, we'll go to the next step, that is OKKP. Tab 2, we don't have it. New entries, uh, company code, controlling area is equal to company code, tab 2. And over here, the currency settings will not be 10, but 30. Okay. Cost center hierarchy will be tab 2. Financial statement version will be INT. I'll explain all of this. Controlling cross company code. Okay. USD. Yes. Tab 2. Okay. Now this is 30 and USD. Let's go back to FinSC underscore ledger. Come on. Okay, 0L, company code. Tab 2. How come? Oh, okay. We missed a point. Okay, KP. This is again empty, so we'll have to fill this up by one step that we missed. Tab 2. Activate components. New entries. 2024 cost centers will be active, activity type, cost objects, order management active, activity based costing uh, okay, active, variances, assignment of company codes, the new entries, tab 2. So we can add multiple company codes here. Okay, now this is added. Save. Fin SC ledger. Or is slow, but let's see. L, company codes. Tab 2. Now we have 30. Okay, it's already added because we integrated controlling. Okay. Now, next part is SPRO, controlling, generalized controlling, organization, maintain controlling area. We've already maintained it, yes, in the previous step. And now versions, very important step. Now, what are versions? Versions are basically versions in CO. Now, what are versions? 0, 1, 2, and so on. We have 900, 909, 9, for example. Now, zero version. What is zero version, one version, two version? Let me explain this. Plan, actual. Okay. This will be plan, actual, and 900. I'll come to this later. Okay. Plan actual will mean that whenever you start manufacturing, okay, you will have to plan out quantities and quantity of material, labor, overheads, okay, plus um, even costs as well, okay. So, for example, if you are producing 1,000 cartons, there will be a quantity of material that will be used, let's say 3,000 kg of material was used. Labor will be like 50 people will be used. Overheads will be like 19,000, and costs, admin cost and production cost will be like 30,000. Okay. This was plan quantity, but in actual what happened? Not 1,000, but 988 cartons were produced, and instead of 3,000, we consumed 3,200 kg. Around 20 more people were added, and overheads exceeded 22,000, and the cost actually swelled up to 50,000. So there is a difference between plan and actual. You plan something else and happens something else. This is where your version come into play, because it captures all of this values and details and compares with the actual that is coming from FI and from controlling, and it compares. So there's another version which only captures planned values, and there is one single version that carries actual values. So in zero, you have all this, plus what you have is variances. Variances, what is variance? Difference. Difference between planned versus actual. Okay. Why these variants happened? Why it was planned 3,000 and it came out to be 3,200? And why, I mean, this why is to be answered, right? So that's why we capture plan versus actual to calculate variance, and this variance is then in settled in production orders. Okay, that we'll see ahead. Okay, now 900. What is this 900? This is custom made, not necessarily the same code that we shall use. 900 will be best case scenario. Best case scenario will be that 1,000 cartons were made, will be made, again planned values, and
3,000 kg.
3,000, not 3,000, but 1,000 kg will be used. This is normal case scenario. Normal case scenario is 1,000 carton with 3,000 kg. And worst will be, of course, in the same way, 1,000 with 5,000 kg. Okay. So this is how you actually plan your costs and your production. Okay. So that's how you use versions. Version, controlling area settings. Lab 9. No, we don't want lab 9 now. OKKS. Tab 2. SPRO. Generalized accounting. Maintain, we've already maintain versions. Zero. Controlling area settings. Plan actual legal valuation and work in process will be calculated. Okay, settings for each fiscal year. 2024 integrated planning. Okay, and save. Yes. LP01. Okay, this is done. Yeah. Tab 2, 0. Okay, it is done. Settings, navigation not allowed. Okay. General version, 0. Profit center accounting. New entries, 2024. Online means real time. Line items will be generated. That will be M. Value date, variant. Okay. Exchange rate, M means average rate of that day. Yeah. Standard translation at average rate. Okay. Save. This is also done. Okay. Define ledger for CO version. Now, what ledger will be used for CO? New entries, tab 2, version 0. So any version can be here, 0, 1, 2. You will have to create that separately. 900, 901, 909, 909. That's how. 0L ledger will be used. Save legal valuation will be used. And speaking of valuations, let's discuss that. So, okay, valuations. We have three kinds of valuations. 0, legal valuation. 1, oh, 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 group valuation. 2, profit center valuation. Okay, currency types. 1 is company code currency. 2 is profit center currency. 3 is group currency. Okay. So whenever you see currency type 10, that means company code currency, and 0 is legal valuation. Okay. If it is 11, that means company code currency and with group valuation. Now, group valuation is for group of companies. And 1, 2 will be company code currency with profit center valuation. Okay. So if you noticed in FinSC ledger T code, we use 30 for global currency, which is group currency with legal valuation. Okay, 30. So yeah, this is done now. Okay, done. Maintain versions, we've done this. Maintain number ranges, tab 2. And for this, change groups. Create group. Zero zero nine nine. Okay. 0109099. Enter. Save. This is the number range that will be used for to generate controlling documents. And calc. 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 What is calc? No, not calc. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Coin. Coin will be assigned element to group. Which group? 01. If you go down, so coin is assigned. So this is CO through postings from FI. Postings coming from finance to CO will get document number range from 09 to 099. Okay, save. Changes have been saved. Okay, next is RKU1 repost cost. We will see this, what this is, 01. RQ1 is also RKU3. Okay. Postings from FI plus repost costing. Now, what is repost cost and what is repost cost line items? We'll discuss this later on. Right now, we'll just do that. Okay. Okay. PRO, reference IMG, financial accounting, global settings, ledgers, integration of controlling with financial accounting, document mapping, standard 01 mapping of transactions. Now, these are transactions in CO. These are business transactions. Okay. And document type will be CO that will be used. Cross-company code documents will be called CC. These are types. Every document will have a number and a type attached to it. Okay. Default values. Company code tab 2. Default ledger group. Don't have. Okay. Company code tab 201 2024 0101 0L and standard. Save. Save. So what are document types in posting? In controlling? CO posting. Number is 01. Reverse document type is CO. This is for GL accounts and secondary cost. Okay. Exchange rate for foreign currency documents is P. P is standard translation for cost planning. Okay. Okay. Good for today, or shall we go ahead?
सर बहुत है
थोड़ा
आज
सा
के
और
लिए,
complete-
अभी हजम नहीं हो रहा, अभी कंटिन्यूटी समझ नहीं